How we doing, everyone? Welcome back to another Create with Nabali's product. Now, I have two boxes here today. I have to make these videos quick because my girlfriend is waiting upstairs, and I don't want to keep her waiting, so... I have two boxes here. I have no idea which one is which. I have a Birds of Prey, black and white, and then I have a Silver Reverie. If I know how to pronounce Reverie. Anyway, I'm just going to open the first box and see what it is. So, whatever is which is the one we're opening today for this video. Okay, here's the box. That's pretty cool. I will say it's really big, though. Okay, which one are you? Oh my gosh, the hardware keeps freaking falling out. Okay, this is the Birds of Prey. Holy shit! What? That's so cool. Leah's upstairs. Wait, that's... Wow. That's pretty. That's really pretty. Holy shit. Okay, hold on. Ah, I can't unbox it. Can't get it open. I don't have a real knife. Why don't I have a real knife? There we go. Oh my gosh. Number 135. This is gorgeous. Wow. My first Chanwich Bala song. It's thick. It's like there's a huge thigh gap when doing it. All right. Let's do it the flip. This thing looks freaking cool. It has Jimping on the sides here, Chanwich as well. This is the... Oh, wow, that looks so good. Oh, no, I scuffed it when I was opening it. All right, let's do it. Oh! Okay. Whoa, okay. Okay, this is good. This is, like, really good. It's very neutral as well. It's very light. It's very light. But it feels so good. Wow. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait for my blue and purple one to come in. It sounds amazing too. Okay. This is cool, I will say. Okay. Nabali's, you did it again. Holy crap. This is cool. Come on. Oh, that Chaplin. Oh my gosh, this thing is actually really nice. My one complaint is the gap there. That's really my only complaint when it comes to this ballad song. This thing, it's like a slight Bowie blade-esque thing. It has a bottle opener too. Why? Wow. It rollovers really well, and it fans really nicely. And just the aluminum, like, blade insert right there is perfect. It's, like, perfect right there. Wow. This is the fastest unboxing I've ever done. I got really excited with this, and it just feels really good. It just feels so good. It's very light as well, so... I like it a lot. Oh my gosh. Gosh, I love this. The Bally's, you did it again. Thank you for sending this out. Holy shit. This is... Wow. The G10 feels good, too. It's not, like, super rough or anything like that. It's really just right. And the G10 Jimping is a little more shallow than I thought it was going to be. But it still feels absolutely incredible. Oh. That's a great indicator. That thing's sharp. Wow. Ow. I'm gonna spend a little more time with the bird of prey. But this feels so good. Wow. Like I said, that chaplain is comfy. So it's a little more square than I initially thought it was going to be. So these little... So it does fan a little bit weird than I thought it was going to feel. But it still feels really nice. Also comes with extra hardware, as you would imagine, extra washers, and the weights as well. And a bit. So when they packaged this was crazy. Alright. That's it for today's video. I'll see you guys later. I'll do another review on this later. Especially once the other one comes in. Later.